Hi guys, and welcome to our crash course on cloud services. The key points that we are going to be discussing here today is what is a cloud service, how they work, the types of cloud services, and the benefits and the risks of cloud services. Have you ever heard of cloud services? What is a cloud service? A cloud service is a general term describing a new type of network-based computing that provides a service to users via the internet from a cloud computing service provider. Cloud services use remote services hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data.
Types of cloud services. We have software as a service. It is a service that offers on-demand pay-per-use of application software to users. This service is a platform independent. You don't need to install the software in your PC because it's running on a web server. And we have a platform as a service. This is a development environment. It encapsulates the use of environment where users can build, compile, and run their programs without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. And we have infrastructure as a service, which offers a computing architecture and infrastructure or computing resources, but in a virtual environment, so that multiple users can access them. So how it works? The cloud services consist of two parts, the front end and back end. The front end represents the client or computer. The client can access the cloud back end via the internet using the browser on your computer. The back end of the cloud service system is comprised of database central servers and computer networks.
Benefits of cloud services.
Flexibility. Flexibility gives you access to your data from servers outside of the office. Flexibility also allows new changes and technology to be implemented without high risks or cost. Because they are inexpensive, companies can try out systems without spending millions. Security gains. All of your data is stored on a central location which has a minimal risk for loss. Data can be accessed on any device. Large companies have implemented advanced security protocols to protect their data. Cost reduction. It has a low barrier of entry which makes it very versatile. It is also very scalable and affordable for all types of companies. With cost reduction, time reduction also occurs, which makes it easy for organizations to focus efforts elsewhere and be more efficient.
Collaboration. Cloud technologies have allowed users to upload, comment, and collaborate on documents. Users around the world can work in real time, and shared documents are more easily controlled with cloud collaboration tools. Device independence. Because services are provided on the internet, any internet-capable device can often access the service. Devices can use any hardware architecture and run any operating system. Document control. Before the cloud, users had to send files back and forth as email attachments to be worked on by one user at a time. This generally results in a mess of conflicting file content formats and titles. When you make the move to cloud computing, all files are stored centrally and everyone sees the latest version.
What are the risks associated with cloud services? Firstly, security risks. Loss or theft of intellectual property. Loss of control over end-user action. Malware infections that unleash any targeted attack. Legal risks. For any cloud-based service, if the government wants access to the data, there is a possibility with a court order the vendor may release the information to them without the user's knowledge.
Local control. There is no control over the user interface of an application. Users have no say on what features are added or removed. Termination of service. If a cloud service vendor goes out of business, this results in users scrambling to find an alternative. With certain niche services, there may not be an alternative available. Cloud services are the future of computing. They allow us to use applications that require a lot of processing power on low-power devices at an affordable price. They are secure and allow for data to be accessed from anywhere in the world, and also makes collaboration easy and effective.